welcome to my podfic. Today I'm going to be reading Can Class 1A Crack the Ice? Read by Jelly Yamiko and written by electric_RK. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Summary. Izuku and Shouto are siblings. Class 1A doesn't know that Izuku is a Todoroki. Can they finally crack the mystery behind the ice user and put the clues together? Chapter 1. Clue number 1. 2 ice users? Todoroki was a strange character to Class 1A. He was simultaneously cheerful and helpful, but also extremely oblivious and hated interacting with people. Izuku realized that he didn't really look like his brother, but the mannerisms they both exuded were eerily similar. He was sure someone would figure it out, even if he had almost immediately asked to be called Izuku. His surname was something he chose not to disclose. If there was one part of his personality that Shouto matched perfectly, it was causing drama. I mean, he really was shocked. His hair was red and white, much like Shouto, except his was 90% white before slowly turning red at the tips. He was 5'8", so not much taller than his brother, but enough that you would notice. Shouto acted uncharacteristically soft around him, which was something no one else seemed to pick up on. He even had an ice quirk, getting more of their mom's quirk than Endeavor's. That hadn't been a fun period of his life, but he couldn't change it now. Hey Izuku, isn't it crazy that we have 2 ice quirk users in our class? What are the chances of that? Mia had energetically bounded over to him and exclaimed after practically slamming her tray on the table. Izuku just blinked owlishly at her and the rest of the group that had turned up at some point. Shouto joining him, taking the space on the right of Izuku. Just luck of the draw, I guess. Izuku had to hide a smirk. He would lay a trail that would hopefully lead them to realizing that there were in fact 2 Todorokis in the class instead of 1. Both he and Shouto enjoyed the drama. They'll wait it out. Shouto, let's see how long it takes them to figure this out. The answering small upturn of Shouto's lips was answer enough. This was going to be fun.